بدأت رحلتهم مع القرآن، فهداية القرآن لكل إنسان، عربي كان أو أعجمي، رجل كان أو امرأة، يهدي به الله من اتبع رضوانه سبل السلام، ويخرجهم من الظلمات إلى النور بإذنه، ويهديهم إلى صراط مستقيم.
And I know that the media lies. And now I know that the truth is in the Quran.
But when I would hear the Quran recited, it didn't sound like any other music I'd ever heard.
It's such a blessing that we as human beings can be given the words of Allah as a gift in itself. You know, one could ponder upon that for the rest of their lives. The Quran, as we know, it's a cure. There's guidance in there. There's help for every situation.
Every day you read your Quran, you understand and you try to implement it in your life. This is the beauty of Islam. You do not worry about any other books around Islam. The Quran itself, if you're searching, it is perfect. It is the perfect book for you.
هذه الدنيا جنتها ولذتها مع الإيمان بالله سبحانه وتعالى.